In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube TV library so you can clear out old recordings and keep your account organized. First, open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, phone, tablet, or computer, and make sure you're signed in with the account linked to your subscription. Next, go to your library. This is where all your recorded shows, movies, and live events are stored. Find the recording you want to delete and click or tap on it. On most devices, you'll see a delete option, sometimes represented by a trash can icon. Confirm that you want to delete the recording. Once deleted, it will be removed from your cloud DVR permanently, freeing up space and making it easier to find the recordings you actually want to keep. If you want to delete multiple recordings at once, some devices allow you to select multiple items in your library and remove them all in one step. Important note: deleting a recording is permanent. If it's a show or event you may want to watch later, make sure you really want to remove it. So, to sum it up, open your library, select the recording, click delete, confirm, and it's gone. Easy and fast. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tutorials.